and Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina, north central Florence County in northeastern South Carolina, Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, east central Darlington County in northeastern South Carolina, northwestern Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, southeastern Marlborough County in northeastern South Carolina, until 8 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Latta, or near Dillon, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Florence, Marion, Dillon, Darlington, Mullins, Latta, Quinby, Lakeview, Sellers, Fork, Blue Brick, Zion, Hammer, Mars Bluff, Brownsville, south of the border, Darlington Raceway, Florence Darlington Technical College main campus, Minturn, and Oak Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901.